Hi, I'm Cynthia Lee. This home has everything you need for that perfect family get-together. Mature trees keep the large front yard shady and cool at this beautiful one-story home in desirable Steuben Ranch. The nearly 1,600 square foot home is located on an oversized corner lot and is 4 years young. The great open floor plan features 9-foot ceilings, custom window treatments, ceiling fans, and a water softener. Gorgeous 42-inch cabinets adorn the eat-in kitchen, which also has an island and access to the patio. This spacious living room is even wired for surround sound. This lovely home has lots of space with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. You'll feel like a queen or king in the master bedroom suite with a luxurious garden tub, separate shower, and walk-in closet. Your family will have tons of fun outside in the spacious yard with trees and a sprinkler system. The community is close to schools, has a great pool, park, and sports court. Shopping is just around the corner, and there's easy access to 1604 near 281 or I-35. Call Kimberly Howell today to make this splendid home yours.